Ever stared at your bank balance wondering where all your money vanished? You're not alone. Keeping track of our finances can feel like a constant juggling act, especially when you factor in credit cards. They offer convenience, rewards, and build your credit score, but they also add another layer of complexity to your spending. That's where budgeting apps like Pocketg step in, promising to simplify things by bringing all your financial accounts under one digital roof. But here's the big question many of you have asked: does Pocketg actually connect to your credit cards? Well, let's dive right into it. The short answer is yes, absolutely. Pocketg is designed to be a comprehensive personal finance tool, and that includes linking your credit card accounts alongside your bank accounts, investment accounts, and even loans. Think of it this way: Pocketg acts as a central hub for all your financial information. By securely connecting to your various financial institutions, it pulls in your transaction data in real time. This gives you a complete picture of your financial health, showing you not just what's in your checking account, but also your credit card balances, available credit, and recent transactions. Now, you might be wondering why connecting your credit cards to Pocketg is so beneficial. Here are a few key reasons. Firstly, it provides a holistic view of your spending. You can see exactly how much you're spending across all your cards and categories, helping you identify areas where you might be overspending. No more guessing where that extra cash went. Secondly, it helps you track your debt. Pocketg clearly displays your credit card balances and can even help you set up repayment goals, making it easier to manage your debt and work towards becoming debt-free. Thirdly, it enhances your budgeting accuracy. By including your credit card spending in your budget, you get a more realistic understanding of your cash flow and can create a more effective spending plan. Pocketg's In My Pocket feature, for example, takes into account your income, bills, and credit card spending to show you how much discretionary money you truly have available. Finally, it offers convenience. Instead of logging into multiple credit card websites or apps, you can see all your transactions and balances in one place. This saves you time and effort, making it easier to stay on top of your finances. Of course, security is a major concern when connecting any financial account to a third-party app. Pocketg utilizes bank-level encryption and security protocols to protect your data. They employ measures like multi-factor authentication and data anonymization to ensure your information remains safe and private. It's always a good practice to do your own research and ensure you're comfortable with the security measures of any app you choose to use. So, to reiterate, if you're looking for a way to get a complete overview of your financial situation, including your credit card spending, Pocketg is definitely a tool worth considering. It seamlessly integrates your credit card data, providing valuable insights and helping you take control of your financial future. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.